Hi guys, I just got my April Ipsy today. Isn't that pretty? It's got a beautiful rose gold down here. It's pretty, it's springy. Oh, and the back is a nice rose color. It's got a rose gold fob. I always forget what they're called. Fob. It says Ipsy on it. Let's look at what's inside because I haven't looked at it yet. I know, and this is my Fenty hand. I just did the Fenty Body Lava review. Well, it's a first impressions mini review. Anyway, let's look at what's in here. Keeping with our rose gold theme, a Steve Laurent blush called Rosé All Day. I haven't ever used this brand before, so I don't really know anything about it. Oh, that's a nice, pretty, all-around neutral pink. That's pretty. I'll use it. This is H2O Oasis Hydrating Treatment. I like their stuff. There's a 0.34 fluid ounce. It's very small. Hydrating. Actually, I think I'll probably use it for a hand cream in my purse because I have a tiny purse, barely bigger than this bag. I really like this bag. I think it's really pretty. Here is, oh, Smashbox, a liquid lipstick. Oh, Misconduct. Okay, I think it's a liquid lipstick. It's so dark I can't really read the bottle. It has a nice applicator wand. Ooh. I think it's a really pretty dark red. I should have brought this out. Social Butterfly. Yeah, that's appropriate. Hey, there's Roxy. Hi, Roxy. In fact, life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. I couldn't agree with that more. This is a Monokodar pencil. Looks like an eye pencil in an olive, burnished olive. You know, I like their brand a lot. Ooh, it's nice, almost brown olive. That's pretty. These will go together well. And the last thing in my Ipsy bag is Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. Let's see how it smells. But it smells good. It does smell good. It's still closed, but I can smell the coffee and it smells really good. I'm surprised to find two body things in the Ipsy bag, but I'm not mad at it. I mean, all three of these are colors that I will use, so pretty excited. Love the bag. And yeah, so that's Ipsy for April. This is what I got. Let me know what you got below, and thanks for stopping in. I hope you'll subscribe, leave a message, and give me a thumbs up, and go see my Fenty video.